Why drinking 8 glasses of water per day is a myth. In today's discussion, we delve into the widely held belief that drinking 8 glasses of water a day is essential for our health, a guideline that has permeated our collective consciousness for years. This notion, as we'll uncover, is not only misleading but could potentially lead to more harm than good. Through a detailed analysis, we aim to debunk this myth by exploring the common misconceptions surrounding water consumption, the risks of overhydration, and providing a more nuanced understanding of our body's hydration needs. The idea that one must consume at least 8 glasses of water daily has become a staple piece of advice. However, this guideline lacks scientific backing and oversimplifies our body's complex hydration requirements. It's a recommendation that doesn't account for individual differences or the water we ingest through food and other beverages. Body composition. The claim that 60% of our body is water is misleading. While water is indeed a crucial component, the percentage varies across individuals and is influenced by factors like age, gender, and body composition. Thirst mechanism. Contrary to the belief that the body doesn't recognize thirst until it's dehydrated, our bodies are equipped with sophisticated mechanisms to signal hydration needs. Ignoring these cues and drinking out of routine can disrupt our natural balance. Weight loss and detoxification. The myths that water can flush out fat and remove toxins have been widely circulated but lack scientific support. Our body's detoxification systems are highly efficient, and while water is a part of this process, its role is supportive, not magical. Skin health. Although staying hydrated is essential, the idea that drinking extra water can cure dry skin is oversimplified. Skin health is influenced by numerous factors, including environmental exposure and genetics. The risks of overhydration. Overconsumption of water can lead to a condition known as hyponatremia, where the sodium levels in the blood become dangerously low. This can cause symptoms ranging from nausea and headaches to severe cases of seizures and even death. The irony here is that in an attempt to stay hydrated, one can end up more dehydrated due to the imbalance of electrolytes caused by excessive water intake. Personal hydration insights. From my personal experience, consuming 2 to 3 cups of water a day has been sufficient for maintaining hydration, showcasing that the body does an excellent job of regulating its needs. It's vital to listen to your body and drink when you feel thirsty, rather than adhering to a fixed amount. The 8 glasses of water a day myth is a simplification that ignores the body's ability to regulate its hydration levels. It's essential to trust our body's signals and understand that our hydration needs are influenced by many factors, including our diet, activity level, and the climate we live in. By moving beyond the myths and adopting a more individualized approach to hydration, we can support our health without falling prey to unfounded one-size-fits-all recommendations.